Hi people. I figured out how to do Evil Tiger Shark's requested glitch. If you go inside your base, this is, by the way, multiplayer. I don't know if it matters if you're online. I'm not online. But, yeah. If you go in here, there's a blitz gun. So get the blitz gun. You can get out here. And you're going to want to charge boot into that thing. See that? Where I'm pointing at? Charge boot and move the camera right at the same time. You're going to charge boot and shoot. When you're going to fire the trigger when you get right here. And then move the camera. Turn the camera around. Move the right in, leg stick right. Sorry. Shoot. Good. Sometimes you die when you do it. You can do it on either side. I messed up, sorry. Kind of hard. No. No. Stop it. Sorry. I've done this before. What in the world? I'm underneath the thing. How did I do that? What in the world? That was freaky. Anyway, I'm in there. So jump on this thing. Jump on here. No, that. Bad thingy. Jump on this thing. Jump on this thing. Jump over here. So now you're on top of this. And then this is, you go down to this. Oh no. Okay, wait. Oh, no, that. Sorry about that. Good, the camera's still recording. Oh. Okay, so yeah, get up here. On this one. Yeah, okay, go up here. And you're on this thing. What you want to do, start walking into this corner and you'll go up. Freaky. And you can go up all the way on top of here. See? Isn't that cool? You can go up all the way on top of here. Whoa, I almost fell off. You can walk around this part. I don't know about that. I guess I'll just venture there a little in the camera. Okay, you can walk on that apparently. Oh yes, I'm standing on air. That's cool. Let me see if you can walk. Okay. Apparently you can't walk there. Yeah. So you can go mess around there. Yeah, that's the glitch that Evil Tiger Shark has done. I'm now doing requested glitches. Okay, so bye. He found this by pressing random buttons, he said. So, yeah. You press random buttons too. Never know, you might find a glitch. Alright, bye.